Hello, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub, where we're diving into a fruity adventure today. Are you ready to draw and color some yummy fruits with us? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get started. Our first fruit is a pineapple. We'll draw it right in the center of our page. Here we go! Make those lines nice and bold, just like this. Great job! Wow! Next one is a bunch of berries. Draw small, round shapes clustered together to form a bunch of berries. Vary the sizes and overlap them slightly for a realistic look. Make the outline bold and sharp. Awesome! Then draw an avocado. Don't forget to draw the seed inside it. Keep those lines confident and sharp. Cool! Our next fruits is banana. Draw elongated, curved shapes for each banana. Make the outline bold and sharp. Wow! Then the final one, an apple. Keep those lines bold and sharp. Wow, look at all these fruits coming together. Cool! And now, my little artists, it's time to add some color. Let's bring out our color pens. Are you ready to name some colors? Bottle green color. Light green color. Orange color. Light green color. Wine red color. Bottle green color. Brown color. Dark brown color. Light green color. Olive green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Light green color. Brown color. Green color. Red color. Well done, little artist! You did an amazing job drawing and coloring those fruits. I'm so proud of you all. Keep practicing and exploring your creativity. Until next time, happy drawing! Bye-bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.